What up? So it's been a while since I recorded, and today, I thought I would, share a few thoughts of mine, and perhaps answer what's been going on the internet or on air. So I found a really interesting, analogy of life today, and this is how it starts. I'm going to read it, just by making just by having an access to a live stream of your life 24/7. Anything in your life can be configured such that it becomes a mistake when it's not. People will feel like it is, and you'll be victimized. You'll be set up, and you'll not escape it. What's the solution when everyone else is an enemy? You can't trust anyone. And there's a very, we can call a very, rigorous answer, or something that's really extreme, an extreme answer. I think you have to live on another planet, unalive yourself and rest. Surrender and let them do the worst they can. Numb your pain and believe there are 2 days in life: when you are born and when you die. Everything in between is torment, and earth is hell, where suffering is lifelong, and no one is truly happy at the end of the day. Happiness is an illusion, and you are tormented by your own desires. By taking a deeper thought on these things, here is another analogy, that says, what's the solution? In line with all as written, here is a quick recap and precepts you can rely on. To be truly happy in life, you'll need to answer a few questions to yourself. Number one, how do I configure life, or my life, such that it's impossible to offend me? Number two, how do I configure my life such that it's impossible to offend others? Number three, how do I, considering question 1 and 2, how do I configure my life such that I progress or advance personally and automatically? How do I configure my life that it automatically contributes to advancement, to the advancement of humanity? Number 5, how do I configure my life such that I provide equal opportunity and not disadvantage or advantage others at the expense of others, considering the life of a human being in its totality? How do I solve or prevent past trouble from haunting and affecting me now or in the future, bearing in mind staying out of the limelight is impossible? Is it possible that everyone has the same view on life as you, or accept truths about your life, and especially your ability to make choice? There's a question. Number 7. Number 8, how do you live in a way that provides value to people automatically enables them to attain your level of consciousness or awareness about life in general. Number 9, how do you enable other people to attain perfection? Enabling them to respond accordingly to situations, people, and life in general. How do you make it impossible that you will get into trouble that takes away your physical well-being, your physical, emotional, and mental well-being? That's it. It's a recap, and it's good to be back. Feels good to be back.